Standard 5 Environmental Science 1 Lesson number 12 Food for All Questions and Answers. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, we get food from plants. Number 2, the agricultural season from June to October is called the Kharif season. Number 3, the harvested crop must be stored safely. Number 4, natural fertilizers are called manures. Number 5, a motte driven with the help of oxen was used to draw water from the well. Match the following: Group A and Group B. In Group B are the answers. Grain stored in a damp place. Answer is fungus attack. Grain stored in dry air. Answer: prevents growth of fungus on the grain. Adding proper chemicals to the stored grains. Answer: prevents insect infestation. Find and correct the incorrect statements. Number 1, there is only one method of farming. Answer: incorrect. Lot of improvised methods are brought about through research. Number 2, India is an agricultural country. Answer: correct. Number 3, use of improved seeds does not lead to higher yields. Answer: incorrect. Use of improved seeds leads to higher yield. What's the solution? Question: the plant in the pot is not growing well. Answer: pesticides must be sprayed and manure should be added to the soil. Then the plant in the pot will grow. Use your brain power. Question: what is the purpose of storing food grain in a house? Answer: we store food in a house so that we have food to suffice when food is not available, or there is a shortage, or during difficult times like floods, famine, or earthquakes. Answer the following questions. Question: what are the advantages of using improved seeds? Answer in points. Number 1, nowadays improved seeds are developed through research. Point number 2, these seeds have a higher yield and can resist pest attacks. Number 3, some varieties of these seeds become ripe for harvesting in a shorter period, while some give a higher yield even with a low supply of water. Next question: which are the modern methods of irrigation? What are their advantages? Answer point number 1, drip irrigation and sprinkler irrigation are the two modern methods of irrigation. Point number 2, these methods ensure that the required amount of water trips only near the plants. Point number 3, thus full use is made of the available water and there is no wastage. Next question: describe the drip irrigation method. Answer in points. Point number 1, the drip irrigation method makes use of pipes with holes. Point number 2, this ensures that the required amount of water drips only near the plants. Point number 3, this method makes full use of the water available without wasting it. Next question: what are the reasons due to which growing crops are damaged? Answer: diseases and pest attacks are the reasons due to which growing crops are damaged. Next question: what is done to avoid the damage to crops? Answer: as a remedy, insecticides and pesticides are sprayed on crops, or certain chemicals are rubbed on the seeds before sowing to avoid damage to crops. Next question. What causes the fertility of soil to diminish? Answer in points. Point number 1. Overwatering makes the land saline and fallow. Point number 2. Overuse of chemical fertilizers leads to accumulation, that means accumulation of excessive chemicals in the soil. Point number 3. This reduces the fertility of the soil and reduces the productivity. Next question. What changes has the modern technology brought about in the methods of farming? Answer in points. Point number 1. Improved seeds having better yield. Modern methods of irrigation. Availability of fertilizers to improve productivity. These modern technological methods have brought about tremendous improvement in the methods of farming. Question. What methods are used to preserve food grains? Answer in points. Number 1. To prevent damage by pest, chemicals are sprayed at the place of storage or all around it. Neem leaves or some protective chemicals are mixed in the grain as their smell repels insects. It is not green, it is GRAIN, grain. Point number 3. Storage places are kept dry and airy to prevent fungus formation. How is water made available for farming? Answer in points. Point number 1. Huge quantities of water are stored by building dams and bunds on rivers to obstruct the flow of water downstream. Point number 2. Improved methods of irrigation are used which provide enough water to the plants and at the same time help to save a lot of water. Answer in one sentence. Question. What is essential for a good harvest? Answer. Fertile land, good quality seeds and fertilizers, and availability of water are essential for a good harvest. Next question. What is organic farming? Answer. Farming that relies on natural materials is called organic farming. Next question. What is green revolution? Answer. Improved quality of seeds of wheat and rice that lead to tremendous increase in the production of these food grains is called green revolution. Thank you.